Hi, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the app layout in the menu on this device. By app layout, what I mean is when you open the menu, so let's wake up the screen by tapping on it and then press the crown button to open the menu. And here we have a app layout and you can change it. For example, let's say we want to move the settings icon. We just need to touch and hold on it and then we can move it around as according to our preferences. So let's move it, for example, right here. You can also remove the apps by tapping the X button above them. Like you can see this small X button above them. You can tap on it right here and then tap delete app to confirm. And once you're done moving your stuff around, press the crown button to confirm and exit the editing mode. You can also change the grid layout to list layout if you want, and to do that go to the menu right here and then touch and press firmly on the layout like that, and here you can change from grid view to list view if you want. So let's select list view and here you have list, and if you want to go back to grid view, you just go back to menu, press firmly and then change to grid view. And that should be all. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.